In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a Jotform. There are two possible meanings when someone asks how to sign a form, either filling out a form with a signature field or adding a signature section to a form you're designing. Let's cover both. First, if someone has sent you a form that includes a signature field, signing it is easy. On a PC, you can use your mouse cursor to draw your signature directly in the provided box. If you're using a mobile device or tablet, simply use your finger to draw your signature. If you're unhappy with the signature, click on the Clear option to erase it and try again. Once you're satisfied, click Continue or Submit. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to finalize the submission with your signature. Click Sign Document to submit the form with your signature included. Now, if your question is how to add a signature field to a form you are creating, start by logging into your Jotform account. On the home page, hover over the form you want to edit and click Edit Form. Once inside the form builder, click on Add Element on the left-hand side. Scroll down to find the signature element and drag it into your form. After placing it, you can preview the form to ensure the signature field appears where you intended. This is how you can either sign or add a signature section to any Jotform.